Today I have Maria in my chair. She's got a bit of chlorine damage, an excessive amount of bleach that has been used on her hair, and I'd like to introduce her to our Thirsty Hair Conditioner that has Argan Oil in it. It's got Moringa Seed Oil. It's got Macadamia Nut Oil. It's a very, very rich conditioner. This is the type of product that a head of hair like this needs. It's very effective on very dry hair, over color treated hair, chemical treatments, and curly frizzy hair as well. Now we're going to shampoo and condition Maria's hair. Maria's had a lot of bleaching and some chlorine damage. She's going to need a little extra conditioning. But we're going to start by using the curly haired shampoo on her, because it needs all the moisture it can take. Now we'll add some Thirsty Hair Conditioner and maybe 3 to 5 pumps on a bleached head of hair like this. It's going to absorb a lot of conditioner. Pick the hair up in sections and give a gentle squeeze so you get it right through. If you feel like you still have a little bit too much tangle in there, apply a little bit more. And then pick up a detangling comb like this. Oops. After you take it away from the face, pick the hair up in your hands and start to comb from the ends up towards the roots. Now we're not going to rinse all of the conditioner out of her hair. She needs all the hydrating she could get. Now we're finished drying Maria's hair. And you can see the nice finish that it's got. That's the result of the Thirsty Hair Conditioner. Excellent on chemically treated hair. People that spend a lot of time in chlorine. It's that wonderful argan oil performing for us again.